evening, my Simply Cuba friends. Tonight we're doing something different. Tonight we're doing a cocktail lesson, but not from a restaurant. We're doing it from my home. Yes! We have taken Simply Cuba to a Cuban home. This time my home. So before doing this cocktail lesson that you've been asking a lot about that, how do we make caipirinha? Ursula have been saying, Ioannis prepares the best caipirinha of Cuba, you know. So, but first, before preparing caipirinha, I would like to introduce my family because we are on my place. So look around, Ursula, show our place. It is a small apartment, but it's a very humble Cuban home that it is open to every single person, not only of Cuba, but every single person in the world. So
and it's filled with love.
Of course, always. That's the way we are. So here we have one of the most important persons in my life. So she is my mom. Her name is Miriam. Miriam, say hi to the camera. Hola.
Hola.
And here we have Arduin, because the three of them are very shy. They are my daughters. They are my children. Amalia, who is 7 years old. Lianis, who is 5 years old, and Amelie, the other one, 70 years old. They are my precious. They are my treasures, the love of my life. So right now, back to the cocktail lesson. We are going to prepare the famous Caipirinha. Well, it is based on the Brazilian cocktail. This cocktail is from Brazil. Its name is Caipirinha, but the Cuban version, we will call it Caipirísima. Caipirísima. That's the Cuban version. Why? Because in Brazil it is made with brown sugar and with cachaça. But here in Cuba, at home, I will prepare it with white sugar, lime, and the so famous Havana Club. You have it. It is spread all over the world, but this is the best. Why is it the best? Because it is Havana Club 3 years old. We have the white one, but definitely the 3 years old with the green label is the best for preparing this caipirísima, this Cuban version of caipirinha. So let's do it. First of all, we're going to get the lime. So this is cut it into pieces, and we're going to put it in a glass, of course. So you see a green in Australia. In some other country you will call it lime, but for us it's limón. Limón. It will tend to a confusion sometimes, but it tastes the same. Lime, lemon, but it is what you should use to making caipirinha. This is a must, my friend. Baby, pícame unas rodajas de limón. Some Spanish on the cocktail lesson. Unas rodajitas de limón. Now, sugar. Sí, para ponerle para decorar. Sugar at your own taste. So, the amount of sugar depends on you. Okay? So, if you like sugar, you can add some more. If you don't, you just put a little bit. But if you don't like at all, don't put any sugar. Okay? Then we're going to smash the lime or limón to get the juice. It's like making a lemonade, but with rum. Refreshing. So we smash. We smash the lime. Now we got the lemon there. Now we're going to add ice. Some ice, of course. To serve it cold. You know, this is a very refreshing drink. It can be in a big glass or a small glass. It's up to you. So you choose. It depends. If you like. Sorry, the mess. This is the Cuban way. You won't see it anywhere else, but with Simply Cuba and at Joanny's place, definitely. Okay? That's the way we are. We're natural. That's the way we are. We don't look alike to anyone.
We are simply authentic.
Then it comes to the good part. Rum. Remember, Havana Club. We're in Cuba. You must drink Havana Club. A Cuban cigar. Get on a classical car and drink Havana Club. Definitely. So we got the 3 years old, and we have a tradition in Cuba. Every time we open a bottle of rum, the first shot is not for us. It is for our ancestors, our homies, you will say, but it's for the people who protect us from up there, for our family. So, salud. Then we put rum. We have two different versions of make this. So we're going to do it my way and the Ursula way. My way, which is my Caipirinha, it would be you see the lime, sugar, ice, and rum. That's the Cuban way. You're in Cuba, my friends. Some rum is not a limit. It's not limited. You know, you're not anywhere else where there it is penalized. And then we're going to do the Ursula. And if you don't want it that strong, say, let's put half the way rum and the other half is sparkling water. Actually, it's not half the way, so less than half the way. Half the sparkling water, then we mix it. And here we are, the so famous Caipirinha. This one for Ursula with sparkling water if you don't like it that strong. But if you like it the Cuban way, the Joanny's way, the Simply Cuban way, just rum to the very top. Okay, my friends, I hope you have learned these cocktail lessons. Like we say here in Cuba, salud!
Salud.